Okay, today I'm going to show you two ways to use the Weld tool in Cricut Design Space. So let me show you the first way. So if you have objects like this, I have 3 diamonds here, and you have them over here in your layers. You can click on each one individually and move them around. But if you want them all in one group, you can highlight them and click on the Weld tool down here. And then you'll get the weld result over here, and you can move them all as one group. The second way to use it is if you have a picture that you got offline or downloaded from somewhere. This one I have, and as you can see over here in our layers, it wants to cut each little piece individually. I'll show you. I'll go to make it. Not actually go and make it, but as you can see here, it wants to cut those and these and on down the line. But I don't want to do that. So what you do is I highlight it and I click the weld right down here. Then it has to load, and then you get a weld result over here, and it puts it all into one layer. And then you go to make it, and now it's just going to cut that out for you, or you could do a draw or whatever you want. So that's 2 different ways you can use the Weld tool. I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed this video.